Here at Lilo, we aspire to help busy moms to cook a nutritious meal for their family despite their tight schedules, and also busy individuals who would like to cook a healthy meal for themselves. Lilo started 2 years ago when my girl turned really fussy regarding her meals, and I was really panicky when she don't eat well and don't seem to put on weight. I remembered my mom making Ikan Bilis powder for me when I was younger. So I read up about the nutritional information about Ikan Bilis and know that they are very good for children. I started giving out beta versions of Lilo, the one without the label, to my mommy friends, and they were so good that word started to spread. I realized I could build a business out of my hobby. Today, Lilo has a Singapore Food Agency licensed factory of our own, churning out the fresh food powders daily. Lilo is retailing in Singapore island-wide with an online store that carries very limited quantities to ensure freshness. People used to think that Ikan Bilis powder is salty. At Lilo, we soak the Ikan Bilis before baking to reduce the salt content. We also did nutritional information panel testing and shelf life testing on all our powders to give mummies the confidence in our products. We constantly improve ourselves by upgrading to industrial-grade grinders and sieves to get the finest we want. At the end of the day, the difference is in the taste. We hope to be of help in every mummy's kitchen and also be a platform where mummies come together to share their ideas and recipes. And always remember, we are amazing moms.